Advanced inventions. A successful harvest. Hello, my friends. Did you know that using machinery during harvesting has increased efficiency and improved the quality of fruit? These machines have helped farmers harvest millions of tons of melons each season. So, what are you waiting for without joining the journey to discover advanced harvesting machines in today's video? Are you dreaming of heading to the Sacramento Valley during cantaloupe harvesting season? June to September showcases the dazzling beauty of the region with its lush landscape and ideal climate for growing melons. Explore these impressive harvesting machines as they quickly harvest melons and other fruits from vast fields. With a conveyor belt up to 16 meters long, farmers harvest and package directly in the field, keeping each melon always fresh when it reaches consumers. With its tropical climate and drought, Carrizo Springs becomes the ideal spot for growing and harvesting cantaloupes. Lush gardens of cantaloupes create a scene of prosperity and bright color. The combination of sunshine and fertile soil produces sweet cantaloupes, a delight for everyone. The process of harvesting cantaloupes requires dexterity in cutting the fruit from the tree. The farmer uses sharp tools to carefully cut the melon branches. The melon is then put on the conveyor belt and transferred to the next processing point. In just 2 days, they are carefully prepared and packaged, ready to go to stores to satisfy everyone's culinary passion. Chain harvesting technology in watermelon harvesting has brought a breakthrough in the agricultural industry, helping to optimize the process and improve labor efficiency. Previously, harvesting watermelons often had to be done by hand, which took a lot of time and effort. With the application of chain harvesting technology, this process has become more automatic, faster, and more efficient. Melon planting and harvesting machines are symbols of advancement in the agricultural industry, helping to optimize production processes and improve labor efficiency. Designed and manufactured with advanced technology, these machines have changed the way farmers grow and harvest melons more comprehensively and effectively than ever before. With modern positioning and control technology, the melon planting machine is capable of determining the distance between each seed, creating straight and beautiful rows of watermelons. Great melon harvesters help reduce waste and enhance harvesting efficiency. Equipped with large wheels and sturdy steel frames, they move smoothly across the field, harvesting watermelons one by one at a rapid pace. Have you ever grown giant pumpkins? And can you guess their weight? This is difficult to predict, because they develop with magic and surprise. Let yourself be fascinated by the maturity and strength of these pumpkins in your hands. Join us in continuing to explore the amazing machines that help farmers harvest millions of pumpkins. If you're passionate about melons, leave comment number 1. These modern harvesting machines play a vital role in the agricultural industry, meeting the growing market demands. They provide substantial convenience and benefits to farmers and the farming sector. With automation and advanced technology, these harvesters can swiftly and efficiently gather numerous pumpkins. This minimizes manual labor, optimizes production processes, and boosts productivity and efficiency in farming. Have you ever seen farmers harvest pumpkin seeds using this method? The Simsec Makeen TR2500 pumpkin seed harvester is an impressive machine that efficiently gathers high-quality pumpkin seeds in large quantities. With its automatic and intelligent features, this machine swiftly and effectively harvests from the fields. Shattering pumpkins leaves behind nutrient-rich pumpkin seeds, reducing workload and ensuring a smooth harvesting process. This results in top-quality products that meet the ever-growing market demands. These advanced machines form the cornerstone of sustainable development in the agricultural industry, addressing the rising market needs. Introducing the New Holland Pumpkin Seed Harvester, a pinnacle of innovation in agriculture. Crafted by New Holland, a global leader in agricultural equipment, this harvester transforms pumpkin seed collection. With integrated sensors and smart technology, it autonomously identifies and harvests ripe pumpkins with precision. This ensures only the finest pumpkins are selected, delighting farmers and advancing agricultural practices. How many hectares can this combine machine harvest in an hour? The Class Pumpkin Seed Harvester embodies cutting-edge agricultural technology. Its exceptional performance and precision are truly captivating. Witnessing its advanced engineering in action is mesmerizing, as it effortlessly crushes pumpkins and efficiently separates their seeds. Reliability and safety are also paramount features of the Class Pumpkin Seed Harvester. Its sturdy construction ensures smooth operation and minimal downtime, boosting confidence and productivity. Metshu Exports leads Sri Lanka's coconut industry, specializing in coconut milk and desiccated coconut. Renowned for quality and reliability, they supply top-tier products globally. As a trusted exporter, Metshu Exports ensures seamless operations and professionalism, backed by seasoned experts and a passion for agriculture. Leveraging fresh coconut resources and advanced processing, they excel in the international market. Coconut fiber is a versatile resource derived from the coconut fruit, utilized in crafting various products, from traditional handicrafts like mats, rugs, and baskets to fashion and textile items. Quiet showcases rich cultural heritage and eco-friendly attributes. It's also used in paper, packaging, personal care products, and interior decorations, promoting sustainability and minimizing environmental impact. Coconut fiber aids recycling efforts and conserves natural resources effectively. Coir is transformed into organic soil at the Atlantis Cocoa Factory, utilizing recycled core from harvested coconuts. This nutrient-rich soil amendment is free of harmful chemicals, enhancing plant growth by enriching the soil, improving texture, and promoting water absorption.